quick disclaimer before we begin. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency and forex investments involve significant risk, and there are no guarantees. You are solely responsible for your financial decisions, so always do your own research and consult with licensed professionals before investing. The first stage of the process is registering into the platform. If you have been watching this video, there should be a button down below that says click here to sign up. This will open up the sign up page, which already has my referral link in your Upline sponsor field. If the referral link is blank, please place my referral ID, which is C1930-734213. If you are watching this video as presented by myself, I am the one that gave you my referral link. Or if you are clicking the button below this video description, this is the page that you're gonna get. And this is how my referral link looks like. This referral ID would be your sponsor's ID right now, which is me. What they need you to do here is to enter your email address. Make sure that your email address is correct. Double check and triple check your email address. Make sure that it is 100% correct, because if there's a mistake in your email address, that is going to affect all the other processes that you're going to follow. So double check your email addresses. Make sure that it is correct. Don't use fake email address, because if you begin to receive your payout, you will need that email for correspondence. Enter the correct email that you have so the company can reach out to you when the time comes for you to collect your payout. Make sure that it is correct. Double check, triple check it. I've said this 2 times now. And then the next thing you need to do is to enter your password. Create your password. So your password should be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, special character, and numbers. So a combination of 8 to 12 characters with a number, a letter in caps, and a special character would be great. Enter your password and then re-enter your password to confirm. Check this box to say you agreed to the privacy policy and terms, and then click register. That's it. Registration is easy. You can see that it's just one page, right? So congratulations, you have completed your registration.